Good morning, YouTube. 8 a.m. and we got us a good one. CHP is just setting up the cones up there. It's raining a bit, but southbound 710 from the 91 transition, blocking the single lane exit. Luckily, there's a bit of a shoulder here, so Dave and I are gonna back up and do this baby off the side. See it already buckled right there. But I asked the driver how much it weighs right now. Morning, sir. How much does it weigh?
It's about...
You got the paper? Oh yeah, perfect. I'm guessing 40,000?
51.
51. Woo! That's heavy. No problem. Whoa, well, I was off. Now, I know a lot of people ask, let's put on free spool. Now, if you could do this with one truck, and I've explained this multiple times, but as the channel grows, the new followers I'll mention, when you do a job like this, you obviously can't back up to either end. We always work off the side, and the rotators have 2 ratings off the back, and you got an over the side tip chart. So a truck like this, they call it a 50 ton because at 30 degrees in this position right here, it'll lift 50 tons. The second you start extending out or rotating the boom, well, it starts dropping a lot. So the way we need to position our trucks off the side and extend it out, you're not even close to 50 tons. Let me put up my underlift so Dave can get to me close. And then again, as often in these channels, these containers are gonna get shifted. The chassis are damaged. So when you have 2 trucks to it, well, now each truck can lift up, remove it from the chassis, put it on a Landau or a new chassis, shift the container to recenter the load. Just a lot more efficient, faster, and safer this way. What a nice looking truck, huh? That's Super Dave. Beautiful.
Rain chamarra in action, baby.
The guy's paperwork said 51,000 pounds, so I'm gonna use these. We'll lift it up and then slide it to us as it comes over.
Tempo. Let's see how Dave Vision goes this time. Dave Vision in full effect. It always happens, bro. Keep moving, stupid. This guy just slammed on the brakes just to look. Idiot. wall first. What wall? I feel kind of weird, like I'm talking to myself. Best way to get these drive lines are like this, upside down. This is where you enter interesting music. And look who's about to show up. El Araña, aka Spider.
All right, so I got my rigging out really quick. My new Bailey's grommet slings, 4 foot in length. And because of the weight, I'm gonna be using a load cell on each line. Dave's already removing the drive shaft. and then I'll help him set up the back as soon as I'm done with these load cells.
Giggity giggity. It's Hector. My little trusty gorilla ladder. I don't know what a hatter is.
All right, so I got my lift and my catch connected with the load cell. I'll be able to read my force as we're going up on each end. Dave 2. Hector's just gonna attach his pull pins. And like always, it'll be quick and easy. And then, while doing my walk around, look what I found. This is gonna make it very hard to come over. So I gotta close that. You know what? Let me try it with the cables. There we go. And I'm airborne. solo. So I'll be able to close that lock. It looks like it, hopefully it's not broken. These things always happen. There we go, there we go. Got it. Very close, man. If you don't catch that, it's gonna make uprighting it very, very, very hard.
And now I don't need my ladder. Yeah, one more. What's it at right now? What's it at right now?
17. 19, 20. 22, 23, 24, 25,000.
Good thing I have 7/8 line on my truck.
Dang it, now the bottom one came undone. Drop it! I hate these locks.
Oh, disconnected?
Yeah, I did the top one, but now the bottom one came disconnected.
Disconnected?
Yeah, I did the top one, but now the bottom one came disconnected.
It's not gonna do it.
Thinking I can put an auxiliary line there.
Right here. Huh? Yeah. Good. Huh? What happened? Oh yeah? How you think?
He's a hawk. My brother has a little house over there.
Oh yeah?
All right, so nothing a little auxiliary line action can't fix. Just dropped it down really quick. All right, stand clear. Will it close? Let go, little. In. Good. Let go. All right. Stupid lock. Hector, can you disconnect that?
Sure.
They always do that. They're so easy to just vibrate and jiggle out. I like the newer style ones that have a positive lock reinforcement, or when people zip tie them. I know, we'll just get that out of the way. All right, we're ready again. Leave it. The lock came off the back? Well, let's drop it. Hold it there, Hector, start dropping it. Ay, ay, ay. So much for quick and easy. Those back locks shouldn't come undone. Those are the strong ones. Is it broken? Yeah, that's very odd. It barely come apart midway. Let's drop it fully. Now you see how this one works? You just twist it from the inside, and once it's horizontal, it prevents that from coming out. But I've just seen it too much where those things just shear off. In fact, if you guys watch this channel regularly, that's a common cause of these rollovers, is these locks. All right, you got it locked in now. All right, let me stand on my end. Hopefully nothing comes apart this time. Now as this thing comes over, it's gonna want to slide to our trucks to get it away from that curb. There we go. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit more. Perfect. Hector, start dropping it, please. You're good to drop. Go for it, Hector, all the way, all the way. Excellent. Hector, can you get it on your underlift from there?
Yeah.
Maybe just go in with the cable and drop that, okay? All right, so Hector's gonna tow this thing in one shot. It's right in front of the outrigger's perfect. Dad. Absolutely beautiful. So it's pouring rain, man. I hope that the camera's not affected by that. I'm angling it, but I'm gonna put it away right now to de-rig and help Hector. All right, so we are fully disconnected up top. Now comes the fun part of putting all the rigging away, which is easy. It's just my straps and my load cells. Double check these stupid container locks, and Hector's pretty much good to go. Raining cats and dogs, man. All right, now that we're all done, just show you really quick what we were talking about. This is how easy these locks come undone. You just pull this all the way back, then it's unlocked. So during transit, this thing can jiggle and vibrate all the way to the back. Very easy to come undone. Like I said, the newer ones have this positive latch reinforcement that's really cool, or they just zip tie it. As for the back, very similar. This hammerhead looking thing right here is turned 90 degrees. To undo it, there's a latch right here that goes up, and this thing comes out. Well, on the other end, it's loose and broken. That's the part that gave us issues coming up. 2024 really would be nice to have an overhaul for these container lock systems. I just noticed he's riding on super singles too. That's cool. But we're out of here. Peace.
Oh yeah. This is where the most of the damage is at. There's no way. Is he pulling from that? Whatever. I'll tear it off. Oh yeah. Easy. What's up?
I don't think I give you enough to go up with, but obviously I can bring the back end, the trailer back end all over here.
Oh yeah.
You want to be, that's why he was in your lane.
Yeah.
You want to be further out. You get it? And then it's got 15,000.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Might as well be empty. But because of the landing gear there.
Yeah.
The suspension's collapsed on this thing.
But we're gonna put it on this edge, no? Anyways.
We want to put at least the landing gear, yeah. And then I can relocate and move the trailer after, brother. Well, I'm gonna go get 23 for the trailer. We caught already. We moved the driveline and shut it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure wherever you park, he doesn't, because he's pretty far out. He's gonna be out of your way. I don't want him to plow the tractor into your truck.
I could actually grab with my frame grab hooks.
I could grab it from here. I'll be a lot closer and I'll be able to control this whole thing while he winches.
Yeah, well, they're gonna flip.
No, it's not gonna do anything.
All right, let's do that.
I'll do that. I'll put my frame graphics here. I can move up further. I'll move up more this way. That way he can have enough room to clear. Where are you gonna put it at?
To the right. Maybe just turn to the right.
To the right?
Yeah, so that in case the tractor goes that way, because he's gonna have to control it. I would just go to the right about 10 feet. Leave your boom right about here. So it gives you time to stop.
I pretty much have to get rid of my snatch box up top. Oh, maybe I won't. The three-parted lines.
I saw that.
It's gonna make like it's heavy, huh? Like, oh, Flipper how to put his lines.
The Riga calls it springs and ball run part.
I'm surprised we got it up here. Oh, we always get them here? Yeah?
That's where the Coca-Cola was at.
Ah. Right there. Safe spot. Ready? Got it?
Yeah.
I would move forward about 10 more feet. You don't think so, Alex?
Free spool it and then drive about 10 feet forward. So the maneuver here that we're doing is I'm going to control the front part of the trailer, well, and the tractor on where the tandems are at, and sky it because the legs are pretty much sunken in. So to avoid having to destroy them, I'm going to pick up while Joe with Hulk winches it over. At that moment, he will go and pick up the tractor so we can take the trailer away, and I will pretty much lift it and place it on the concrete here.
Not too much, bro. Not too much. Pick up more on that side. Keep this one lower. Keep this one lower, please.
That's even right there.
There you go. Just this one. Just lower this. You're doing good. Sure, those airlines don't pack.
Hold it.
I'm gonna swing mine around, okay? I'm swinging mine around.
All right.
Tell him to hold it. Hold it! Yeah, you gotta reposition the room.
I know. I gotta go.
Yeah, go out and... Yeah, get way ahead of it, bro. You don't wanna lower your boom and blow out. Those things work out quick. Don't pick up too much on this. As soon as it's here. Go ahead. There you go, bro. There you go. There you go. Follow me. Beautiful. Watch your lines. Watch the hose. The hose.
Just pull it. Pull from this side. Yeah, this side, so it pulls it that way. Yeah, just I'll get the rest.
You get it?
Yeah, I'll just bring it over. Nice. You're good right there.
Disconnect this chain and put it on my right side. I thought you were gonna go. Oh, you're gonna use the chain?
Oh, you're gonna use the chain?
No, leave it
No?
here.
Yeah? Oh, you mean, oh, you're talking about the chain over there? I got my own. Yeah, I got my own. I like these chains. Got my frame hook, grab hooks, grabs from the bottom and wraps around this apron here. The final phase of this, like I said, he's gonna go. Joe's gonna go get the tractor. I'll pretty much position myself further back, lift it, and then finish it off. You want me to lift it up?
Si yo no puedo meterme, está todo quebrado.
Okay.
El ángel está todo quebrado. Ya puedo quitar yo las mías, ¿sabes? Las
Sí.
mías ya no hacen falta.
Sí, ya. Claro. Dude, how is it that he always has horrible timing? Hello? 10-4, bye. I'll get over that little hump right there. There it is, out of the hole. I need that one? No, that one. Yeah, I would. That's fine. We'll lift it from here then.
Ahí.
Yeah, that's fine. Just grab it and we'll pull it forward. So that way Joe just comes in and hooks up. I don't know if he'll fit through there. All right. Got it? You're good? You're good? Okay. Right?
Bueno, creo que saqué el intento muy bien. La pregunta es,
Yeah, that's fine. Let's put it on this then. Está pegando un bolt atrás.
¿Quiere que saque esto un poquito más?
sí, por favor, más.
Ya lo saqué. ¿Usted?
Ven, que voy a sacar esto un poquito.
Acuérdese que se puede recoger. Hey guys, where's the broom?
It should be on the side of the truck. Oh, you got
Aquí
it?
está, aquí está.
Oh. Right there, huh?
Oh, the broom guy.
No, se está, no.
Just to move it, then I'll if you want, I can move again.
Como para llevármelo en todo.
No, just to move it forward. Yeah, we're not gonna tow it like that. All right, let me disconnect my chains.
Hey, I stand right here.
Yeah, I know. That's why I put the outrigger in. I thought ahead of time.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Watch out, bro. Oh, not me, stupid. Once the trailer's done, then he's on the shoulder and the dirt, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, what happened, guy? Go over. Is the fifth wheel good?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna back up. I'm gonna go that way.
Okay.
Tú puedes venir por la puente, okay?
Okay.
When you park behind Ricardo, tell him to turn off the other one.
I will.
Oh.
Bye, big. All right, guys. Well, all the debris is out of the roadway now, so CHP will open it up momentarily. Ricardo's finishing up hooking up the tractor, which he was pretty much done. Just attaching chains to the axle so it doesn't shift as he's going forward to the yard. You can leave it like that, and all you have to do is just make sure that the chain doesn't move. I mean that the axle doesn't shift forward. So what I would do is I would attach a chain from going forward and back.
Lo que iba a hacer es sacar esta.
But this has to pivot, no?
¿Cuál?
El T-bar. The T-bar has to pivot, so you can't leave that to the.
Ya, sí, cierto.
You can't do that. Yeah, it has to pivot.
Cierto.
So what I would do is that the axle's all the way back, right?
Ah,
The axle's all the way back.
casi.
Sí, pero what I'm meaning is in a fixed point towards the back, right?
Uh-huh.
So what I would do is that I would secure the axle to the back portion of the frame, so that way when you're moving forward, it doesn't shift forward.
But I gotta use this one, no, huh? That's not no.
No, that's the
Do I have to go all the way back?
You don't have to go all the way back as long as it's not shifting forward. You can attach to the top of the frame.
This one.
Yeah. Why don't you just do the same thing, but instead of going to the T-bar, just go to this axle straight up.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Go swing.
Nah, yeah, I think you'll be fine, Ricardo. Well, Ricardo's all hooked up now. Are you guys good with that already?
Yeah, we're good, sir.
Okay.
So everything all the way through here. So yeah. we're
Okay,
good, man.
awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Well, you can see where this tractor and trailer combo were here, so everything's pretty much all said and done. Crossman's is gonna open up the lane again. Call it a day. Just walk over to Flipper and on to the next call. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.